He gets to go in the car 2 days in a row.
Well,
He's so lucky.
yeah, and he was so scared last night he kept everybody awake.
Did he?
Well, I fell asleep, but
Molly wasn't really bothered.
I just couldn't understand why he was.
Everything was, it seemed like really far away.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. No, Molly was fine. I'm surprised Copper was bothered.
Oh, God, he shook like you can't believe he has to live.
He was just excited about going on a walk today.
Okay.
We'll be back.
Patrol will be ready when you get back.
Good. Molly will be ready.
Oh, I'm sure.
They all will.
Molly, get over here.
Better copper in the back. Maybe copper and walk alongside. Hi, Copper. Hi, Copper. You want to say hello? Hello, baby. Hello. I want to get Copper. No, Copper.